Hello there race fans, Craiger here for CraigerNews.com. Here we are for the 2018 season. So we saw more late there, 4 cars at the front, couple off on the grass here. Oh, there's been a couple further else in the first lap. Here we are, lap 2, and it's Moore that leads from, looks like Blackburn, is it? It is in second place. Lee Newsom is third. Jack Byrne is up there. That's just cement dust. They had a bit of oil on the track. A file on goes through there. He's further back. That's Max Hart there's going through. Tig Sheehy. Where's that Tig there? There we go now. Moore holding on to that lead there. Looks. Or is that Gavin Buckley actually out in lead? It is. No, it's not. It's Blackburn. I'm getting confused there in the cars. Buckley's in there just ahead of Byrne. There's James Jones there with Ken Brown who won the B race just ahead of him. Then a file on. Max Hart comes through there. Then we have Paul Lewis is it in the orange Leastone number 15. New out this year. Good man, Paul. This is that's Matthew. Oh, that's Tig Sheehy there. And this one is Matt Bowden. Both in the Gillespie cars. Oh, that one sounds a bit rough. Jimmy Furlong must have been off somewhere on the opening lap, and number 7 is out the back with him. There we go, Blackburn, yes, looks like Lee Newsom there trying to go around the outside. Two former champions, well, one current champion. Anthony Cross there, 4th place, mixing it up with Moore. Jack Byrne and Buckley then. Come back around there, Luca Failon, that's the top 10 just gone through in the flash of an eye. Max Hart then coming around. This looks like he's changed his engine there since this morning's race. And then Lewis then, Tig Sharkey then, few problem with his plug leads this morning. Managed to get himself out racing though, good stuff. Furlong comes through then, and then Robert Fleming is number 7. He's another of our new racers this year. Good man Rob. Drama here at Kirkistown, we missed that. Colin Blackburn is in the tyre barrier over there. Him and Newsom were challenging for the lead here. And whoa, bit of damage there for the champion. Double yellows. I'll say that's gonna run much longer. Let's have a look. Here we go. Leaders back into sight, and it's Moore back in front. Number 12 from Anthony Cross, Stephen Moran, Gavin Buckley, Shane McBride, James Jones. Good few of the front runners missing. Why is this still running? A Failon's gone through. Blackburn's car just sitting on the outside. Jack Byrne spun last time round here. Lee Newsom, oh, they've all got mixed up in this. Mad Max is in there as well. Max Hart. Here's Paul Lewis there. Looked like he was about to overtake Tig Sharkey. Yellow flags everywhere here. Are they going to run it till half distance and give us a red flag? It's all very strange here in Kirkistown this afternoon. So we've had a red flag and a restart in Kirkistown, and here we go on the restart. Moore and Cross lead the way. Moran just in behind him. Lee Newsom lost out there. A Failon is there. McBride is right behind him. There's a bit of dust there from the cement dust where Colin went off. He's out of the race. Here we go now. We can hear them just coming down the back straight, and here we go. Moore and Cross into sight. Looks like Newsom there is up the inside of Moran. He is indeed. Newsom's up the 3rd. Buckley is 4th. O'Failon, McBride, Byrne, Jones, Brown. Max Hart there in the Leastone, just falling off the back of the lads. Number 7 then. That's Robert Fleming. He's out the back now. Here comes the leaders. Should be Moore. I believe he had a couple of car lengths. Oh, Newsom is right with Cross. 3-4 cars for the lead here now in Kirkistown. Cross right underneath. Newsom trying to go around the outside there of them all. Good stuff from Lee. Back in the class. Here comes Hart coming through now. Oh, something doesn't sound great in that engine. He changed his engine earlier on. Fleming comes through then. Paul Lewis is out the back. I think he started from the pit lane. Here we go now. We should see Lee Newsom challenging for the lead. It's a 3-car battle at the front. But look, there's 7-8 cars here. Classic Moore tactics here. Slowing them up behind. Keep them all busy, keep them occupied. Sharkey now comes round. Oh, gets it a bit sideways there. A lot of oil on the hairpin here. Manages to hold it together, good stuff. Max Hart is out. Here we go now, leaders, once again down to the hairpin, and look how tight it is. Newsom is alongside, Moore holding the inside line. Cross then in third, Moran and Fail on tucked in, McBride's on the back of the group. Oh, there's Luke, Ken Brown there going off. Oh, Jack Byrne goes off to avoid him as well. Good stuff. Ken won the V race earlier on, but he's had a couple of spins here on the oil down at the hairpin. Gets himself going, he's back in the race. Once again now, oh no, 3 abreast, but Moore's on the inside. Oh, it's all very tight here. Top 5 covered by a width of a flag paper there. Moore still holding on. Looks like Newsom's up to second. Jack Byrne now, he was off the last lap round. He's fallen back a bit. Tyke Sharkey then. And Ken Brown as well, spinner from the last time. Can't be too much more now to run in this one. Moore, he's still holding that inside line. Anthony Cross tucked up. Lee Newsom right beside him. Moran, Buckley, a whale on, they're all in there. McBride then just off the back now, falling away, as is James Jones. We cut away. Jack Byrne now will pick up into the hairpin. You can see there Ken Brown is closing in on Tyke Sharkey. Much better pace. Lovely wrap on that car. Oh, and they're back around into sight. And I'm fairly sure that Moore took the win there. He laid out at the hairpin here, it was fairly tight. Lee Newsom up there, they'll all roll up in front of you. I'm fairly sure that Moore has the win. That one's for you, Bob. Till next time, it's been Craigor for CraigorNews.com.